Pizza and Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I was thinking about that right now.
It's not Wi-Fi, I'm using my data.
And okay,
Thank you, Catherine. Thank you, Ida.
they're using Catherine's phone as a hotspot, so she's a very popular person right now. So what do we got here? I guess we've got a buffalo pizza here. Oh, somebody's going after the buffalo.
It's good.
Where are you all coming from?
You live with that?
Southern California.
Nice.
Yeah, we've went through the Southwest and Grand Canyon, Monument Valley, and Colorado, and then making our way up through Wyoming now.
Nice. Good. All good to go. Looks like you need 3 more paddles.
3 more paddles? Okay.
Ooh, I feel rough in this. Mom, I'm so
All right.
different. But they're the excited ones.
Oh, they're going to have a blast.
You don't get one of those?
You do. They're down there.
Well, we didn't have very big ones. Not a lot of water.
Yeah.
Often we do. This canyon gets Victoria. See that nice guy.
Slow down.
How much you weigh?
68?
Let me see. Let me do the test here. I'm going to pull your hair. He's good.
I don't know. You.
So, you guys are going to have to grab some before. We're going to do a quick safety call.
Good luck.
Can you take a picture, after you're done, can you take a picture of my phone?
If I can figure it out.
Alright.
Alright, everybody wave Grandpa.
Bye. Have a good time.
So, anybody with a paddle, just go 2 strokes forward for me. Everybody together. Alright. When you're holding the paddle, one thing I didn't go over is just hold it around just like this.
Can you? Is
Yeah,
there?
in a couple hours.
Is there a place on that gym, or what do they call it? Yankee Gym? Is there a place to pull off there?
I can describe to you the few places where you could
Okay.
do that. And you've got a little while until you get there.
Yeah. Okay. Beautiful spot. This must be great in the springtime.
You know what I love it is the fall.
Really?
Yeah. Springtime, the weather is typically cold and nasty.
Bye. See you downstream. So who's the motor in this thing? As if I don't know.
Yeah, let's
Did you guys have a good time?
yeah, let's fun.
Mom almost dragged Bernice down.
What?
Yeah, Mom almost
How did that? How
She
did?
grabbed Bernice and tried to take her down with her.
Great backseat.
Did you have a good time? Hello.
Hey, Grandpa.
That's a help. Can I do it? That's a help.
Anything else in there?
Everybody just grab a hold of the rope as we come out. There we go.
Come on, Victoria.
There we go. All right.
You'll be the caboose.
On the concrete here.
What is there, an age restriction here or what? Okay.
What? Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Come on, Gabriel, you're the one with the big muscle. Gabriel, look. You gonna be in the video?
Uh-oh.
Look at all the women helping.
There you go. All right, thank you.